Hey, morning everybody. It's Keith from JetsPC. Today is Tuesday, November the 5th, so it's election day. If you haven't voted already, be sure to get out and vote. It's the best part of a democracy. You have a say in what happens. Today's video, I wanted to just remind folks about our desktop build service we offer here at JetsPC. We've been doing a good amount of them. They run anywhere from the routine, air cooling, not very fancy, that kind of thing, all the way up to the full-blown AM5, DDR5, 4090, water-cooled, all this other kind of stuff. So they do run the gambit. We have a lot of experience building desktops. If you have all the parts, now you will need a valid Windows key. Need to be able to install Windows and activate it on the PC you're bringing in to build. That way it's part of the testing process. You get all the drivers loaded. I can do the video software or the video card software and all that kind of thing. It just makes for a better PC when you get it home and it's fully functional, no errors in Device Manager, and ready to go. They start at $225, the desktop builds. That's for a routine one. If you have water cooling, add another hour. So you'd be looking at 300 plus tax to assemble it. You bring all the components. We provide the labor and assemble the desktop for you. Like I say, it's a service we offer and we're really good at because of years of experience building a desktop. So come on by and see us. Feel free to come in for a consult. We're at 7543 Grissom Road, Suite 121, and JetsPC is open Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 7. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel, and thanks for checking out jetspc.com. Have a good day.